Waqt ekonomija llum se nitkellmu dwar ir-riċiklaġġ tal-batteriji tal-karozzi elettriċi. Il-Ministri Ewropej jitkellmu waqt l-Ecofin dwar riformi importanti fuq taxxa, VAT u l-bqija. Se nitkellmu dwar interazzjoni realistika mal-intelligenza artifiċjali kif żviluppata minn OpenAI ta' ChatGPT. U fl-aħħar nett, Microsoft b'investiment kbir fi Franza. Fis-snin li ġejjin, il-karozzi elettriċi mistennija jiżdiedu sostanzjalment fit-toroq Ewropej, partikolarment minħabba li mill-2035 il-qudiem l-ebda karozza ġdida ma jista' jkollha magna li taħdem bil-fuel. Il-problema hija li l-batteriji jeħtieġu kwantitajiet konsiderevoli ta' metalli speċjali, illi bil-mod jaf jiskarsaw. Għaldaqstant il-kumpaniji li jimmanifatturaw il-batteriji qed jaħsbu kif jistgħu jiġbru batteriji użati għal riċiklaġġ. Fi kliem ieħor jirkupraw il-materjali li fihom daw il-batteriji biex jerġgħu jużawhom. Il-biċċa hi li mhux kulħadd kapaċi jirriċikla batteriji tal-karozzi. F'dan il-qasam il-Finlandja tinsab fuq quddiem nett. F'ħarġa Valta, il-grupp Fortum reċentement waqqaf impjant ultra awtomatizzat fejn il-minerali prezzjużi huma estratti mill-massa sewda tal-batteriji permezz ta' proċess idrometallurġiku.
At the moment, I would say the portion of the manufacturing waste is high and higher than the end of life, but then we see already in a couple of years' time actually. So, as said, I mean, we need to be prepared when the market kind of grows. But yes, after 1 year when you come back, it's going to look very different.
L-ewwel pass fil-proċess ta' riċiklaġġ huwa li tixxotta l-enerġija kollha mill-batteriji, operazzjoni delikata ħafna peress li xi wħud jistgħu jkunu difettużi u għaldaqstant ikunu jistgħu jieħdu n-nar.
If there happens some kind of problem during the discharging, then we drop that down to the pool.
Because it happened?
Yeah.
What happened, for example?
Just a small fire, yeah. And then we took this water pool to outside the hall.
Il-batteriji mbagħad jiġu żarmati u l-iskart jiġi riċiklat. Il-metall jitaffeċ, il-massa sewda biss tinżamm biex minna jsiru batteriji ġodda. Il-massa sewda hija dik li fiha l-materjal u l-minerali naturali bħal graphite, il-nikel, il-kobalt, il-litju u il-manganiż.
They are broken by the mechanical forces and then we separate the copper and the aluminium and the others from the actual black mass, which you can see over here, that is containing now the graphite, nickel and cobalt, lithium and manganese, for example. So this is the liquid that contains the metals from the black mass that we then deliver back to the battery value chain to produce, again, new batteries. We think we are the first having the integrated value chain that can really now close the loop for the automotive industry as of today. And we are studying very carefully that how we could find our part in the French business.
Sal-2027 il-grupp Fortum jittama li s-sit tiegħu ikun jilħaq kapaċità ta' proċessar ta' 30,000 tunnellata ta' batteriji. Nhar it-tlieta li għadda l-Kunsill tal-Ministri tal-Ekonomija u l-Finanzi magħruf bħala l-Ecofin iltaqa' fi Brussell. Fuq l-aġenda diversi temi ta' importanza, it-taxxa ta' dħul, il-VAT fl-era diġitali, il-faċilità ta' rkupru u reżiljenza, iżda wkoll l-assi Russi maqbuda mill-Unjoni Ewropea u kif dawn jistgħu jintużaw għal benefiċċju tal-Ukrajna. Nisimgħu siltiet minn konferenza tal-aħbarijiet indirizzata mill-Kummissarju Ewropew Valdis Dombrovskis fit-tmiem l-Ecofin.
Vincent, good afternoon, everyone. I will start with taxation. We have taken a significant step in our fair taxation agenda with today's general approach on new rules to make withholding tax procedures more efficient and secure. This will have positive impact on investors, financial intermediaries like banks, and national tax administrations. Today, these procedures vary widely across member states and are often lengthy, resource-intensive, and costly. This applies especially to investors reclaiming excess tax paid in another EU country. Apart from the frustration caused, it discourages cross-border investment within and into the EU. The new rules will make sure that cross-border investors are not taxed excessively on dividends and interest payments. They also contain anti-avoidance provisions to help reduce the loss of fiscal revenue from abuse of withholding tax rules and procedures. This decision is an important building block in the Capital Markets Union. Reducing complexity and costs will allow investors to invest more easily and securely in other member states. Second, the work will continue to update the EU's VAT rules to new digital realities, such as rapid growth of e-commerce and platform work. Digital technologies like e-invoicing are a powerful tool to raise VAT revenues while helping our businesses to grow. They can help to fight tax fraud too. Member states lose many billions of euros every year to tax fraud, evasion and avoidance. In addition, VAT rules vary widely across the EU and place considerable burden on businesses. So thanks to the Belgian presidency, the efforts are ongoing and we still hope to get it over the line during the Belgian presidency. Moving to the Recovery and Resilience Facility, the Council approved the modified national plan submitted by Spain and Italy. And also we provided a quick update on where we stand on the RRF. Total disbursements now amount to more than 232 billion euros to 25 member states. This includes pre-financing. The Commission expects to receive 21 more payment requests by the end of the year, and we will process them accordingly. If all goes to the plan, in 2024, the RRF will have disbursed more than 100 billion euros and more than 300 billion euros since the start of the facility. Lastly, in light of the ECOFIN conclusions following the RRF's midterm evaluation, we will soon propose a few practical improvements to reduce administrative burden linked to the RRF implementation, this while preserving the facility's high levels of transparency and accountability. Turning to the economy, well, without now preempting the spring forecast that the Commission will present tomorrow, it is clear that the EU economy and particularly labour market continue to show resilience. Preliminary Eurostat estimates show that the first quarter 2024 economic activity in the EU and euro area expanded by 0.3% compared to previous quarter, and this is the strongest rate since third quarter of 2022. Inflation is also on track towards target. Euro area annual inflation is expected to stand at 2.4% in April 2024, stable compared with March and down from 2.6% in February. With business sentiment improving and labour market still strong, the conditions are in place for economic activity to pick up pace in the course of the year. This goes with a usual caveat about continuing risks and uncertainty, not least from current geopolitical circumstances.
F'dawn il-jiem, OpenAI ħabbret mudell ġdid ta' intelligenza artifiċjali, GPT-40. Dan il-mudell huwa kapaċi li jitkellem vuċi realistika, kapaċi jinteraġixxi mal-bniedem, kemm bil-kidba kif ukoll bil-viżiv.
GPT-4o provides GPT-4 level intelligence, but it is much faster and it improves on its capabilities across text, vision, and audio. For the past couple of years, we've been very focused on improving the intelligence of these models, and they've gotten pretty good. But this is the first time that we are really making a huge step forward when it comes to the ease of use.
Il-ħiliet ġodda fl-awdjo jippermettu lil bniedem jitkellem ma' ChatGPT u jikseb tweġibiet f'ħin reali bla dewmien.
Hey, ChatGPT, I'm Mark. How are you?
Oh, Mark. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Hey, so I'm on stage right now. I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert here.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breaths? Okay, here I go.
Whoa, slow a bit there. Mark, you're not a vacuum cleaner. Breathe in. For a count of 4.
Okay, let me try again. So I'm going to breathe in deeply and then breathe
And then
out.
for 4, and then exhale slowly.
Okay, I'll try again. Breathing in and breathe out.
That's it. How do you feel?
I feel a lot better. Thank you so much.
Huwa possibbli wkoll il bniedem jinterrompi lil chat GPT waqt li dan ikun qed jitkellem xi ħaġa li tokkorri naturali f'konverzazzjoni bejn il-bnedmin. Dawn huma żewġ karatteristiċi ġodda ta' konverzazzjonijiet realistiċi illi chatbots tal-vuċi AI ta' ChatGPT ma kellhomx sissa.
If you've used our voice mode experience before, you'll notice a couple key differences. First, you can now interrupt the model. You don't have to wait for it to finish your turn before you can start speaking, and you can just butt in whenever you want. Second, the model is real-time responsiveness. So that means that you don't have this awkward 2 to 3 second lag before you wait for the model to give a response. And finally, the model picks up on emotion, right? When I was breathing super hard there, it could tell, and it knew, hey, you might want to calm down a little bit. You're kind of running a little bit too fast. So, it really has that capability across the board to perceive your emotion.
Waqt preżentazzjoni li saret, ir-riċerkaturi użaw il-mudell aġġornat tal-AI biex juru kif jaħdem, meta dan jiġi biex isolvi ekwazzjoni komplikata.
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
Spot on. Now you've isolated the term with x on one side, and it looks like 3x equal 3. What do you think we should do next to solve for x?
I'm not sure. Can you give me another hint?
Of course. You have 3x, and you want to find the value of x. Think about what operation would undo multiplication.
Is it subtraction?
Close, but think of the opposite of multiplication, because 3x means 3 times x.
Okay, I think it's division. Let me try to divide both sides by 3, and let me see what I get.
Bingo! Go ahead and divide both sides by 3.
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
It looks perfect. You've solved it, and x equals 1. Nicely done. How do you feel about solving linear equations now?
Okay, ChatGPT, I'm sharing with you the plot now. I'm wondering if you can give me a really brief one-sentence overview of what you see.
The plot displays smoothed average, minimum, and maximum temperatures throughout 2018, with a notable annotation marking a big rainfall event in late September.
Fantastic. I have another question for you. Which months do you see the hottest temperatures, and roughly what temperatures do those correspond to?
The hottest temperatures occur around July and August. The maximum temperature during these months is roughly between 25 degrees and 30 degrees, 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit.
What's going on with the y-axis? Is this in Celsius or Fahrenheit?
The y-axis is in Celsius. The temperatures are labeled accordingly, such as average temperature, minimum temperature, and maximum temperature.
Yeah. So as we can see, not only can ChatGPT help me solve very easy linear algebra equations that I need help with, it can also interact with, code bases and see the outputs of plots and everything like this going on a computer.
Dan l-aġġornament ta' ChatGPT minn OpenAI huwa meqjus bħala l-aħħar mossa tagħha l-aktar waħda riċenti biex tibqa' fuq quddiem net f'tellieqa biex tiddomina t-teknoloġija li hija emerġenti.
Hey, Chad, are you there?
Hey, yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Hey, let's have some fun. I'd like you to be super sarcastic. Everything you say from now on is just gonna be dripping in sarcasm. How does that sound?
Oh, that sounds just amazing. Being sarcastic all the time isn't exhausting or anything. I'm so excited for this. Nope, the sarcasm. Let's get this party started, or whatever.
B'dawn l-esperimenti li qed isiru jidher ċar illi l-intelligenza artifiċjali ftit se jkollha limiti.
I want to introduce you to somebody.
Well, hello there, cutie. What's your name, little fluffball?
This is Bowser.
Well, hello, Bowser. Aren't you just the most adorable little thing?
Yeah.
Look at you enjoy.
This is one of his favorite things to do.
Oh, well, I can see why. Look at that focus. Fetching balls is serious business for Bowser.
Waqt is-summit annwali Choose France, il-kumpanija Microsoft ħabbret li se tinvesti 4 biljun euro fi Franza. Dan tħabbar mill-President ta' Microsoft Brad Smith li qal li ħafna minn dawn il-flus se jkunu investiti fis-settur tal-intelligenza artifiċjali. Microsoft se twaqqaf ċentru tad-data fil-belt Franċiża ta' Mulhouse.
We're going to spend €4 billion to build out world-leading AI and data center and cloud infrastructure here in France. We're going to bring to France 25,000 of the world's most advanced GPUs. We will build out the computing capacity here in France. We will put this infrastructure to work for everyone in France.
Il-President Franċiż Manuel Macron żar l-uffiċċju ta' Microsoft fis-subborg ta' Pariġi ta' Issy-les-Moulineaux u qal li l-investiment juri l-fiduċja ta' Microsoft fl-istrateġija tal-AI illi qed timplementa Franza. Ma naqsux ukoll il-battuti politiċi, bi Smith jinsisti li Microsoft qed tappoġġja l-ispinta ta' Macron għas-sovranità Ewropea fit-teknoloġija.